Jai Jagannath. Friends, this is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to Master of English. Pile chemistry Abhishek. So let's start. प्रथम प्रश्न पile. प्रथम प्रश्न कौन? First question होची which compound has highest lattice energy? Which compound has highest lattice energy? Option रहिला LiBr, option B LiCl, option C LiL and option D LiF. कोड़ा होगा ठीक उत्तर. Which compound has highest lattice energy? L small I, B small r, then L small I, Cl, then C LiL, D LiF. LiF option D होगी यार correct answer पिले. LiF compound has highest lattice energy. LiF होगी ठीक उत्तर. LiF stand for what? You know better than me. बराबर प्रश्न. Each atom in BCC structure has just nearest neighbors. Each atom in BCC structure has just nearest neighbors. Option रहिला 8 6 4 और 2 8 6 4 और 2 तारे ठीक उत्तर कौन होगा? ठीक उत्तर होची each atom in BCC structure has 8 nearest neighbors. 8 nearest neighbors होची यारा correct answer. 8 होची ठीक उत्तर. शोभन शुभंकर, God bless you बेटा. 8 मलय कुमार परिडा. Yes. परवर्ती प्रश्न होची कौन? The resistance of mercury becomes almost zero at. The resistance of mercury becomes almost zero at dash. Option A 4K, option B 10K, option C 20K and option D 25K. प्रश्न थिला the resistance of mercury becomes almost zero at 4K, 10K, 20K, 25K. ठीक उत्तर होची it is option A 4K. The resistance of mercury becomes almost zero at 4K. Option A होची correct answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिवा. The lubricating action of an oil is more if it possesses. The lubricating action of an oil is more if it possesses dash. Option A high vapor pressure, B low vapor pressure, C high surface tension and D high density. कौन होगा ठीक उत्तर? The lubricating action of an oil is more if it possesses dash. Option A high vapor pressure, B low vapor pressure, C high surface tension, D high density. ठीक उत्तर low vapor pressure. Option B correct answer. Next question देखिए परवर्ती प्रश्न पे. परवर्ती प्रश्न होची the Van Hoff factor I. The Van Hoff factor I for a dilute aqueous solution of glucose is. Option A 0, option B 1.0, option C 1.5, option D 2.0. ये होची question number 5 पिले. So the Van Hoff factor I for a dilute aqueous solution of glucose is केवड़े कहलाड़ी 1 बोली के 1:1.0 बढ़िया very good Sai 1.0 होची option B and this is the correct answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न. During electrolysis of an aqueous solution of Cu square Cu2 plus square plus 2 plus अच्छी सेटा ताकू कौन बोली पढ़ों दी. I don't have idea. Sulfate 0.635 G of copper was deposited at cathode. The amount of electricity consumed in column is. Option रहेला 1930, B 3860, C 96500, D 4825. So during electrolysis of an aqueous solution of Cu2 plus 2 plus टा ऊपर है अच्छी. So sulfate 0.635 gram for copper was deposited at cathode. यारो ठीक उत्तर होची पिले 1930 ऑप्शन ए होची यार करेक्ट आंसर 1930. Next question देखिए. The number of electrons involved in redox reaction, the number of electron involved in redox reaction when 1 farad of electricity is passed through an electrolyte in solution is option A 6 into 10 to the power 23, B 8 into 10 to the power 19, then C 96,500, D 6 into 10 to the power minus 23. ठीक उत्तर कौन होगा? The number of electron, option A 6 into 10 to the power 23. Malay Kumar Panda. So ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା ଆଉଥରେ କହିଛି. The number of electrons involved in redox reaction when 1 farad of electricity is passed through an electrolyte in solution is 6 into 10 to the power 23. Option A होची correct answer. देखिबा पिले परवर्ती प्रश्न. Next question. परवर्ती प्रश्न कोन? So परवर्ती प्रश्न होची कोन पिले? A catalyst has no effect on. A catalyst has no effect on. Option A rate of forward reaction. Option B activation energy. C threshold energy. D heat of reaction. A catalyst has no effect on. कौन आबो ठीक उत्तर? Option D. Option D होची heat of reaction. Smruti Ranjan, Malay Kumar, Mrutyunjay. Yeah, this is correct answer. Heat of reaction. A catalyst has no effect on heat of reaction. Option D होची correct answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए. परवर्ती प्रश्न होची which furnace can be used to get temperature above 3000 degree Celsius? Which furnace can be used to get temperature above 3000 degree Celsius? Option A blast furnace, B arc furnace ARC, option C reverberatory furnace, option D none. Chirmakala option A होची blast furnace. Mrutyunjay kala option B होची correct answer pila. So arc furnace can be used to get temperature above 3000 degree Celsius. So arc furnace ARC furnace, this is the correct answer. Next question देखिए. Heating of pyrite ores in air to remove sulfur is known as option A calcination, B fluxing, C smelting, D roasting. कोड़ा ठीक उत्तर होगा. Mrutyunjay kala option C smelting. Heating of pyrite ores in air to remove sulfur is known as roasting. Option D Smruti Ranjan. Yes, option D roasting is the right answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए अगले. In froth flotation process, many chemicals, frother, collector, activator, and depressant are used, which is called a frother. Which is called a frother? Option A CuSO4, option B NaCN plus alkali, option C pine oil, option D potassium xanthate. Which is correct? Option B. Option C pine oil is correct. Pine oil होची correct as per my answer. It is pine oil. परवर्ती प्रश्न. Ammonia water is a good cleansing agent because it. Okay. So ammonia water is a good cleansing agent because it. Option A is weakly basic. B emulsifies grease. C leaves no residue when wiped out. D all are true. C होची actually पिले ठीक उत्तर होची all are true. Option थिला ammonia water is a good cleansing agent because it is weakly basic, emulsifies grease, leaves no residue when wiped out. These all options are true. So option D is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची which is correct statement which is correct statement कहबा which is correct statement nitric oxide is isoelectric with CO2. Option B, nitric oxide is dimagnetic. Option C, nitric oxide is an endothermic compound. Option D, nitric oxide gas is used as general anesthetic. Question दिला which is correct statement यार ठीक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन सी पिले ऑप्शन सी कोन थिला नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड इज एन एंडोथर्मिक कंपाउंड गेटिंग मी सो ऑप्शन सी होची ठीक उत्तर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द नंबर ऑफ pi bonds the number of pi bonds what do we call it the pi mark then minus mark then bonds what do we call it I know present in NCl3 is 1 2 3 and none कोन हबो ठीक उत्तर यार ठीक उत्तर होची नॉन पिले यार उत्तर होची नॉन ऑप्शन डी बाबोलिया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो केमिकल नेम ऑफ वर्मिलियन chemical name of vermilion is vermilion the chemical name option A mercuric sulfide B mercurious sulfide C zinc sulfide D cadmium sulfide option C होची zinc sulfide and this is wrong right answer होची chemical name of vermilion is it is mercuric sulfide mercuric sulfide होची ठीक उत्तर ऑप्शन ए पिले परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा ZnS containing minor traces of MnS becomes option A deliquescent B phosphorescent C hydroscopic D none so ZnS containing minor traces of MnS becomes phosphorescent it is phosphorescent ठीक उत्तर होची कोडा phosphorescent so option B next question देखिबा पिले so in SCN ligand if N is attached to central atom if N is attached to central atom the name of ligand N is option A thiocyanato N B cyanato N C thiocyanato S D cyanato S question dila in SCN ligand if N is attached to central atom the name of ligand is it is option A option A होची थियोसाइनेटो N होची ठीक उत्तर पिले लास्ट क्वेश्चन 15 नंबर प्रश्न अधिका प्रश्न मु लाइव रे पढे पारि भी नाही फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन होची ए Grignard reagent is prepared by reacting magnesium with option A methylamine B diethyl ether C ethyl iodide and D ethyl alcohol question dila A Grignard reagent is prepared by reacting magnesium with it is option C the right answer is option C ethyl iodide hochi ठीक उत्तर so with this the MCQ of the day chemistry ended. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, Master of English. Jai Jagannath.